Tired of paying full price for last-minute tickets? Let's unlock some savings. First, open the Gametime app or head to their website. Browse to find the event you want to attend. Once you've selected the event, tap on the date and time you prefer. Next, choose your seats. Consider your budget and preferred view. Add your desired tickets to your cart. Now, here's the magic. On the order summary page, look for the promo code or discount code field. It's usually located near the bottom, before you finalize your payment. Now, open a new tab in your browser. Search for Gametime promo codes on sites like Retailminute, Honey, or simply Google Gametime promo codes. These sites compile current offers. Carefully copy the promo code you find from the website or extension. Make sure to copy the entire code without any extra spaces. Return to the Gametime app and paste the promo code into the designated field. Tap Apply. If the code is valid, you'll instantly see the discount reflected in your order total. Congratulations! You've just saved money on your Gametime tickets. Remember to try multiple codes as some may be expired or event-specific. Enjoy the show.